Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you with Viparita Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Yoga can be a wonderful way to relax your body and mind before bedtime. Practicing bedtime yoga can help reduce stress, improve sleep quality, and prepare your body for a restful night. Here are some yoga poses and relaxation techniques that you can incorporate into your bedtime routine. 1. Child's pose. Balasana. Start by kneeling on the floor. Sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward, lowering your chest toward the floor. Rest your forehead on the ground or on a pillow. Take slow, deep breaths and hold this pose for a few minutes. 2. Legs up the wall. Viparita Karani. Sit with your side against a wall. Swing your legs up the wall while lying on your back. Keep your legs straight up or let them rest against the wall at a slight angle. Close your eyes and relax, focusing on your breath. 3. Seated forward bend. Paschimottanasana. Sit on the floor with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale. Lengthen your spine and exhale as you reach forward to touch your toes or ankles. Keep your back straight and hold the stretch for a few breaths. 4. Reclining bound angle pose. Supta Baddha Konasana. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet together. Let your knees fall open to the sides, creating a diamond shape with your legs. Place your arms by your sides, palms up. Close your eyes and focus on your breath as you relax in this pose. 5. Cat. Cow stretch. Start on your hands and knees in tabletop position. Inhale as you arch your back and lift your head. Cow pose. Exhale as you round your back and tuck your chin. Cat pose. Continue to flow between these two poses for several breaths. 6. Supine spinal twist. Lie on your back with your arms extended to the sides. Bring one knee toward your chest, then gently guide it across your body to the opposite side. Keep your shoulders on the ground and gaze in the opposite direction. Hold the twist for a few breaths on each side. 7. Deep breathing and meditation. After your yoga poses, spend a few minutes in a comfortable seated or lying position. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, taking slow, deep breaths. You can also practice meditation or visualization techniques to calm your mind. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat? Get Viparita Lean Belly Juice Keto. Click the link in the video description below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on social media for more exciting audio content.